Feel like you're always rushing to create content last minute? What if I told you that you could record an entire week of YouTube videos in just one day without burning out? It's called batch recording, and once you try it, you won't go back. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe if you want to stay consistent on YouTube without daily stress. Here's how to batch like a pro. Step 1. Plan your videos. Choose 3 to 5 topics for the week. Keep them short form or explainer style if you're just starting out. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or just a Google Doc to organize scripts or outlines. Step 2. Write simple scripts. Don't write essays. Just use bullet points or outlines so you stay focused while recording. This will also make editing easier later. Step 3. Set up once, shoot multiple. Set up your camera, lighting, and mic once, and record all your videos back to back. Change your shirt or background between takes to keep them visually different. Step 4. Edit in batches. After filming, edit all your videos together. Doing the same task multiple times in one session saves a ton of time compared to switching gears constantly. If that helped simplify your content workflow, hit like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more YouTube creator productivity tips next. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.